Hi, so today I'll be analyzing the organism squid. I will be giving an analysis on both its life, its role, and the benefits it brings. So first, the naming and tree of life. So the common name that we give the organism is squid, but it's much more complex than that. Its taxonomy, it first comes from the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Mollusca, the class Cephalopoda, the order Teuthida, the family Ogopsina, and the scientific name Teuthida. As we can see here, the squid will be located right here. So its natural habitat. So squid are found in all kinds of bodies of salt water. And they're located in all over the world, whether it be in the North Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, in Hawaii, Japan, etc., etc. One thing to know about squid is that they are highly adaptable, so they are able to both live in tropical and cold climates. When it comes to getting their food, so squid capture their food with their tentacles. A unique feature about their tentacles is that they contain rings or hooks per se at the end that are extremely sharp. So they use those hooks in order to get a better grasp of the food. Later on, the food is then torn apart and consumed. And as the squid eats, the food goes from the throat region all the way to the stomach and then to the liver where it is absorbed for energy and growth. So, interesting fact about squid is that they are both a predator, but they also are prey. So, squid hunt for smaller fish, for crabs, shrimp, and depending on the season, location, they might have to hunt for smaller squids. As I mentioned before, squids are also prey. Their predators include birds, variety of usually bigger fish, sharks, humans, and even sperm whales. The reason why so many animals hunt for squid is that squid have a soft texture, so it's easy for the predators to eat. But how squid can escape their predators is by either changing their skin color, by squirting ink onto them and distracting them, and they can hide in tight spots. And these are just a few ways of how they can escape a predator. So some unique evolved traits of the squid. So squid contain chromatophores, which are specialized pigment sacs that allow the squid to change their skin color and texture, and this helps with hiding from their predators. They use a siphon to expel water, which allow for rapid jet-like movement, also to escape from their predators. They have a gladius, which is an internal skeleton made of chitin and proteins, and that supports their muscles and protects internal organs. And they also have three hearts, two that are used to pump blood to the gills, and one that circulates it to the rest of the body. And this helps them function efficiently due to their large size. So the importance in their ecosystem, they serve both as prey and predator to the ecosystem. So this helps control the balance of the food web as a predator and as a prey, especially in the ocean, and they are a food source for larger animals. A second importance about squid is that they move significant amounts of nutrients and biomass across other ecosystems when they migrate. And this supports the survival or reproductive success for their predators, as well as just promoting biodiversity and stability. And lastly, for the importance of humankind, they act as a food source for us. Squid has a lot of protein, a lot of choline and omega-3 fatty acids, and that supports brain development. It helps reduce inflammation and just overall improves blood flow. Usually, the way we eat squid is through a form of calamari. Um, and not only that, we use squid as a mode of scientific research. So scientists have found that squid ink might have anti-cancer effects, And this is very useful because it can act as a drug and chemotherapy to treat cancer. And lastly, their large nerve cells are studied to understand the nerve signal. And if we can understand that, we will be able to treat neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Lastly, these are my resources for each slide. Thank you.